Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. First of all, you want to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings. The easiest and quickest way to do that is directly from the notification and control center, which you can access by swiping down from the upper part of your display. Here, just locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so. Tap and hold on it. At the Wi-Fi settings page, you want to choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G network. Here, tap on the Wi-Fi QR code section. And basically, as you can see right above the QR code, there is the actual password of this network, which is HardReset, or which you can obviously enter manually, or you can simply scan this QR code with your second device and get automatically connected to it. So I'll show how you can do that. In front of me I have Nokia Android smartphone. In order to scan this QR code, I'm going to use the built-in camera Google Lens. So I'll frame the QR code, wait until it gets recognized. I will also tap on it, wait until the Join Network button appears, and then click on this Join Network button. And as you will see now, our Nokia device will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. So great success. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.